Meaning of infirmity.
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 Infirmity. The term infirmity refers to a physical or mental weakness or illness, generally associated with old age. It indicates the state of being weak, feeble, or lacking in strength or vitality. The condition can manifest in various forms such as mobility issues, cognitive decline, or chronic illnesses. Ultimately, infirmity can severely affect a person's quality of life and independence. This condition can lead to a need for assistance with daily tasks, frequent medical treatment, and decreased social engagement. Caregivers and family members can play a critical role in helping individuals with infirmity maintain their dignity and well-being.